Welcome to today's SEO session. One of the most repeated phrases in digital marketing is creating unique content. But what does it actually mean and why it is important for search engine rankings? In this video, we will explore the definition, benefits, and best practices for creating unique content in SEO. Unique content refers to original, one-of-a-kind text, images or videos that are not copied from other sources. It is created from scratch and provides fresh value to the audience. Search engine rewards originality because it enhances user experience and reduces duplicate information online. Search engine like Google aims to deliver diverse, high-quality results. If your content is unique, you have a better chance of ranking because you are offering something no one else has. Duplicate or plagiarized content, on the other hand, can harm rankings. Duplicate content is when the same text appears on multiple web pages, either within your own site or across different sites. Unique content stands out and gives search engine a reason to index your page over others. Unique content improves SEO by increasing relevance, encouraging backlinks, boosting your user engagement, and signaling expertise. It can also help you target long-tail keywords that competitors might ignore. Google's EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritiveness, and trustworthiness, relies heavily on unique content. When your work reflects your personal experience and expertise, it's harder to duplicate and more valuable for rankings. Plagiarism can harm your SEO, brand image, and credibility. Always write in your own words. Use plagiarism checkers and credit sources when using quotes or statistics. Unique content is not just text. You can make your content stand out with original images, infographics, videos, and personal case studies. The more original your presentation is, the better your SEO impact. Examples include blog posts based on your personal expertise, original research, unique product descriptions, and location-specific guides that are not available anywhere else. Do keyword research, understand your audience, and write in your brand's unique voice. Use examples, insights, and data that often don't have. Always focus on solving your audience problem. Unique content is the foundation of strong SEO. Focus on originality, relevance, and value to stand out in search results. If this video helped you understand the power of unique content, hit like, leave a comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more SEO insights.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.